Kettlebells have gained massive popularity over the last decade, but they're still overlooked by many, and even looked down on by some. To many bodybuilders and powerlifters, kettlebells aren't heavy enough to promote serious hypertrophy or strength. Combined with their awkward shape, they're seen as inferior for developing mass. But this perspective is entirely missing the point. Kettlebells aren't meant to be used for building bodybuilder physiques. That's not what they're designed for. And that's exactly why they're so powerful. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring the unique benefits of kettlebell training, why they build better real-world physiques than traditional bodybuilding, how they combine strength and cardio in ways nothing else can, and why they might be the most efficient training tool ever created. By the end of this video, you'll understand why kettlebells transform your body faster than anything else, the specific benefits you can't get from barbells or dumbbells, and whether kettlebell training is right for you. This is going to change how you think about fitness. Let's get into it. First, let's address the elephant in the room. Are kettlebells optimal for muscle size? No. Barbells allow you to lift heavier weights in a more stable position. This creates maximum mechanical tension, the primary driver of muscle hypertrophy. For pure muscle size, barbells win. But here's what the bodybuilders miss. Kettlebells will still develop a lot of muscle. More to the point, they do this while also improving cardiovascular fitness and strength endurance simultaneously. Because kettlebell training usually involves longer rep ranges, 10, 20, 50, or even 100+ reps, while also adding significant weight, they effectively combine the benefits of strength training with cardio. Think about it. A set of 50 kettlebell swings with a 24-kilogram bell builds your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. But it also elevates your heart rate to 80% of maximum. You're building muscle and conditioning simultaneously. No barbell exercise does this. Heavy squats build muscle but don't provide cardiovascular training. Running provides cardio but doesn't build muscle. Kettlebells bridge the gap, the fundamental problem with separating strength and cardio. Traditional fitness separates strength and endurance. Monday, Wednesday, Friday you lift weights. Tuesday, Thursday you do cardio. This approach has several problems. Time investment. You're spending multiple hours per week on each component. For busy people, this is unsustainable. Conflicting adaptations. Heavy strength training and high-volume cardio interfere with each other. Your body struggles to adapt to both simultaneously. Limited real-world application. Strength without endurance is useless for most activities. Sports require both. Manual work requires both. Martial arts require both. Even daily life requires both. Imagine being strong enough to lift a heavy box but getting winded after 30 seconds. What good is that strength? You'll simply get out of breath before the task is complete. Likewise, cardio without strength results in a scrawny physique and limited performance. You can run for miles but can't lift anything heavy. You lack the muscle to be functional. So you have two options. Spend several hours per week lifting weights and several hours doing cardio. Or combine both with kettlebell training and gain the kind of real-world strength endurance that's actually useful. Kettlebell training builds the best physiques. Here's what bodybuilders don't understand. The best-looking physique isn't the biggest, it's the most balanced. Muscle with low body fat, strength with definition, size with functionality. Kettlebell training builds exactly this. It adds muscle to your frame while stripping away fat to improve definition. The combination of resistance and cardiovascular demand creates a physique that looks athletic, not just big. Look at gymnasts, fighters, and kettlebell sport athletes. They're not massive, but they're incredibly defined, powerful, and functional. That's the kettlebell physique. This makes kettlebell training a brilliant choice for anyone who wants to get into better shape efficiently. You build muscle, burn fat, and improve conditioning in one 30 to 45-minute session. And it pairs very nicely with traditional strength training as an alternative form of cardio. Instead of walking on a treadmill for an hour, do 20 minutes of kettlebell swings and get-ups. You'll burn more calories, maintain muscle better, and actually enjoy the process. But efficiency and physique are just scratching the surface. The nature of movements performed with kettlebells makes them particularly effective at increasing athletic, dynamic performance. Benefit number 1: explosive power development. Kettlebell ballistic movements like swings, snatches, and cleans train exo. Explosive hip extension. This is the foundation of athletic power. Jumping, sprinting, throwing, changing direction. All require explosive triple extension of ankles, knees, and hips. Barbells can train this through Olympic lifts. But Olympic lifting has a steep learning curve. It takes months to learn proper snatch and clean technique. Kettlebell swings and cleans are much easier to learn but provide similar power development benefits. Research shows that kettlebell swing training improves vertical jump height, sprint speed, and change of direction ability. These are direct measures of athletic power. For athletes, this is game-changing. For regular people, it means moving with more speed and power in daily life. Climbing stairs, picking up kids, reacting quickly when needed. Benefit number 2, functional core strength. Kettlebells train your core differently than traditional ab exercises. Crunches and sit-ups work your abs in isolation. Kettlebells force your core to stabilize while your limbs move under load. Take the Turkish get up. Your core must stabilize your spine while you transition from lying to standing with a weight overhead. This builds anti-rotation strength, anti-extension strength, and rotational control. Or consider one-arm kettlebell swings. Your core fights to prevent your torso from rotating as the weight swings. This is real-world core function, resisting unwanted movement while producing force. Traditional AB training doesn't replicate this. Kettlebells build a core that works the way it's supposed to work, stabilizing your spine during dynamic movement. Benefit number 3, grip strength that transfers everywhere. Kettlebell training annihilates your grip. The thick handle, the offset weight, the extended time under tension. All of this builds incredible grip endurance. Why does this matter? Grip strength correlates with overall health and longevity. Studies show that people with stronger grips live longer and have better health outcomes. Plus, grip strength is the limiting factor in many exercises. Your deadlift is limited by your grip. Your rows are limited by grip. Pull-ups are limited by grip. Improve your grip through kettlebell training, and every pulling exercise improves. Plus, daily tasks become easier. Carrying groceries, opening jars. Any manual work. Benefit number 4, shoulder health and stability. Most shoulder injuries come from poor stability and muscle imbalances. Overdeveloped front delts from too much pressing. Weak rotator cuffs, poor scapular control. Kettlebell training, especially overhead movements like presses, get-ups, and snatches, builds balanced shoulder development. The unstable nature of the kettlebell forces your rotator cuff and scapular stabilizers to work overtime. This creates bulletproof shoulders. Many people report that chronic shoulder pain disappears after consistent kettlebell training. The stability work and balanced muscle development fix underlying issues. Benefit number 5, time efficiency. This might be the most practical benefit. Kettlebell workouts deliver results in 30 to 45 minutes. You don't need an hour of lifting plus an hour of cardio. A typical kettlebell session: 5-minute warm-up, 20 to 30 minutes of swings, get-ups, presses, and rows. 5-minute cool-down, total time 30 to 40 minutes. Results: strength, muscle, cardiovascular fitness, core stability, and grip strength all improved. For busy people, this is revolutionary. You can get a complete workout during a lunch break. No commute to a gym, no waiting for equipment. Just you, one kettlebell, and focused training. Benefit number 6, versatility and progression. Kettlebells offer infinite variety. Ballistic movements like swings, snatches, cleans. Grinding strength movements like presses, squats, rows. Stability movements like get-ups and windmills. Conditioning circuits combining multiple exercises. Progression is built in. Start with lighter weight and higher reps. Progress to heavier weight. Add more challenging variations. The kettlebell grows with you. Plus, kettlebell training can be tailored to any goal. Want to build muscle? Use heavier bells for lower reps. Want fat loss? Use moderate weight for high-rep circuits. Want athletic performance? Focus on explosive ballistic movements. Benefit number 7, mental toughness. This is rarely discussed but incredibly valuable. Kettlebell training is hard. A set of 50 swings hurts. A 5-minute snatch test is brutal. Completing these sessions builds mental resilience. You learn to push through discomfort, to maintain form when fatigued, to finish what you started. This mental toughness transfers to everything else in life. The limitations of kettlebell training. Being honest, kettlebells aren't perfect for everything. Maximum strength development. If your only goal is lifting the heaviest weight possible, barbells are superior. You can load more weight on a barbell than you can with kettlebells. Pure muscle size. Bodybuilders will build more mass with barbells and machines than with kettlebells. The heavier loads and isolation options of traditional bodybuilding are better for maximum hypertrophy. Specific sport training. If you're training for powerlifting, you need to practice the powerlifts with barbells. If you're training for bodybuilding, you need higher volume isolation work. But for general fitness, athleticism, and real-world strength, kettlebells are unmatched. Who should use kettlebell training? Kettlebells are perfect for athletes who need strength, power, and endurance. Fighters, soccer players, basketball players, wrestlers. Busy professionals who want maximum results in minimum time. People who hate traditional cardio but need cardiovascular fitness. Anyone building functional athletic physiques rather than maximum size. Kettlebells can also supplement barbell training. Use barbells for your main strength work. Use kettlebells for conditioning, core work, and metabolic training. This combination gives you the best of both worlds. How to start kettlebell training. If you're new to kettlebells, start simple. Get one kettlebell. Men typically start with 16 to 24 kilograms. Women with 8 to 12 kilograms. Learn 3 exercises first. Kettlebell swing, Turkish get-up, goblet squat. Master these movements before adding complexity. Practice perfect form with lightweight. Build your work capacity gradually. A simple starting program, 3 days per week. Day 1, swings and goblet squats. Day 2, get-ups and rows. Day 3, swings and presses. Start with low volume, 3 to 5 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Build up over weeks. As you get comfortable, add weight, volume, or more advanced exercises. The truth about kettlebell training. Kettlebells transform your body faster than anything else because they train your body as an integrated system. Not isolated muscles, not separate energy systems. Everything at once. You build muscle while burning fat. You develop strength while improving endurance. You increase power while building stability. This integration is why kettlebell athletes look and perform better than people who separate their training. Is kettlebell training for everyone? No. If your only goal is maximum muscle size, stick with bodybuilding. If you're a competitive powerlifter, stick with barbells. But if you want functional strength, athletic performance, and an efficient path to a great physique, kettlebells are unmatched. So here's my challenge. Get a kettlebell, learn the swing and get up. Train 3 times per week for 8 weeks. Track your strength, conditioning, and physique. 8 weeks from now, you'll understand why kettlebell training transforms bodies faster than anything else. If you're committing to kettlebell training, drop a comment saying, "Kettlebell Transformation." Let's build a community that values efficiency and functionality. And if you want detailed kettlebell tutorials, complete programs, and advanced techniques, smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Kettlebell training can transform your body faster than anything else. Strength plus cardio, muscle plus definition, power plus endurance, all in one tool. Stop separating your training. Start integrating it. I'll see you in the next video. Now go swing.